Naughty Wind. The clothespins on the line, said Daddy, were having a very jolly time. I'll blow those clothes away, said the North Wind. Oh, no you won't, said the clothespins in chorus. You're only little wooden things, said the Wind. I am strong and powerful and can do just exactly as I like. Now the fairies saw that the clothespins were doing their work so well that they thought they would like to help them, so they all perched on the line and began to sing. Hi ho, let the North Wind blow. The clothespins and we'll certainly see that the clothes will stay here. The day's nice and clear, the sun's good and strong, and the wind is quite wrong to try such a trick, but the clothespins will stick. The clothespins did stick to the line and the fairies helped them, singing all the time. The wind kept on blowing and tried his hardest to get the better of the fairies, but he had no luck at all. And the clothespins won,